We're going to work through two more algebraic examples here of how to solve these inequalities. So on number 9 here, as usual, the first thing we want to do is isolate our absolute value. So to do that, we'll have to divide by 3. So we'll end up with absolute value of x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 3. Now, since it's greater than, we're going to have to split it up. We'll say that x minus 7 is less than or equal to negative 3, because we want those big negative values, or x minus 7 is greater than or equal to positive 3. That'll give us the big positive values. So working on the left over here, we'll add 7 to get that x is less than or equal to 4. On the right, we'll add 7 to get that x is greater than or equal to 10. So now we can graph these solutions. So here we want our 4, we want the values less than or equal to so I can fill it in. Less than means I'm going to color in this whole left side and draw in my arrow here. X greater than or equal to 10, so I can circle in at 10, and then pick all those values over to the right here that are going to be bigger than that and draw my arrow. Now over here on number 10, we've actually already isolated our values here. So we can just go ahead and put what's inside our absolute value in between the negative and the positive 5. So put it in between the negative and the positive. From here we can solve for x. So we subtract 3 from both sides. So we'll get negative 8 less than 2x less than 2. And then we will divide by the 2 to get negative 4 is less than x, which is less than 1. So our solutions there go from negative 4, open circle, because we're not including it, and up to positive 1, again, open circle, we're not including it, and all of the values in between. And that would be our solution.